Hello fellas, today we are going to react to Shivaji the Boss trailer. I have seen a little bit bits and parts of the movies when it came on the TV because I was not able to get the ticket at that point of time. It was so hyped and it lived up to the expectation that people were actually taking the tickets again and again. I was not able to see the movie in the theater, so like bits and parts, but I'm not able to. I never was able to see the whole movie. We are going to react to this particular trailer. It's by Sridhar Bay. It is not an official site which this trailer was out, but like this person has put out this particular trailer. So we are going to react to this. It was in they put out in June 12, 2007. It came out that point of time, and it has 1 lakh views and 536 upwards. We are going to react to this particular trailer, but before starting the video, I'd like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon so you never miss any videos from me. Links to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me feedback, or follow me, I'd love to hear from you guys too. So without further ado, let's start. Wow, wow. Yeah, amazing, man. Great, man. Whoa. Right. Shriya Sharan is very cute, actually.
சாகர நாள் தெரிஞ்சு போச்சுன்னா வாழ்ற நாள் நரகமாயிடும். சந்தோஷம் தாங்க முக்கியம்.
Wow.
நான் பிசினஸ் பண்றதுக்கு பர்மிஷன் கேட்டேன். 7 சர்வீஸ் பண்றதுக்கு.
Whoa.
போடுறதுமா. கிட்ட பெட்டா.
Yeah, I guess this is the villain, right? Ooh.
ஏன் இந்த கருப்பா பெட்ட?
வெள்ளை அட்ட அழுக்காயிடுவேன் தான் கருப்பா பெட்ட.
நம்ம நாட்டுல ஒருமே இந்த ஒழியல. ரிச் கெட் ரிச்சர், புவர் கெட் புவர். இதான் என் ஊரு. இதுக்கு நல்லது செய்யாம விட மாட்டேன். எங்க மாத்திர விட 10,000 பேர் வேலை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நான் சொல்றபடி செஞ்சீங்கன்னா இப்படி இருக்க உங்க கிராமம் இப்படி ஆயிடும். சிவாஜி எவ்வளவு பெரிய குற்றங்கள் செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்காருன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா?
Amazing. Whoa. Lovely. Amazingly fantastic, man. Music, yeah, Rahman. Oh God, this is like one of the greatest things. And whenever Rajnikant comes, he does something great. Wow.
Bachelor of Social Service. பேரை கேட்டவள சும்மா அதிர்ந்துல.
Wow. Amazing. Well, little bit few scenes here and there I have seen. I have not seen any of the action sequences or everything, but it was one of the greatest things, I would say, that you say the intro. This movie particularly gave a proper introduction, I would say reintroduction, with the great background music of Rajnikant. In the future movies to come, this particular BGM was actually played a lot of time because it was actually been suiting Rajnikant properly, up to the mark, I would say. It was like whenever he comes, like people would actually sing that particular BGM, na 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 na, this sort of thing, and people even kept ringtone, and it was a caller tune, and so many things, and it was a particularly so much hyped movie. it was actually a reformation of a society where like people were not able to get inside an education society, or like the poor people are not able to get up with the standard of living. But Rajnikant comes and he's trying to create a atmosphere which is habitable for the people who are not able to afford the great education. He has resources and everything, but he tries to make it all the political pressures try to suppress him, and that's the reason he lost everything, actually all the properties, everything which he has been garnered for all those years. So after that he approaches another way, and he tries to blackmail the person who took everything away from him, and little bit and here and there he just tries to understand how the business works, and garner each and every the property papers and this and that, and he tries to make that black money, big amount of black money into the white money, while doing a transaction of everything. And at the end of the movie he actually surrenders himself for doing all this stuff. But talking about this whole movie, the style, the music, the BGM, Rajnikant, Shreya Sharan, A.R. Rahman, Shankar, everyone has done a really great job. Not to forget to mention the villain. I don't know the name of him actually, but I have seen him in this particular movie, and also in Gabbar, which is with Akshay Kumar. So he's pretty great and really nice. And I've even seen him in with Allu Arjun in the movie Saranaidu. That he was actually police inspector in that. He was a good guy in that actually. Sorry about it. So it's really nice. It's really fantastic. I would say that there was a transformation. There was a transformation scene where Rajnikant is actually Shivaji, and then he transforms into something a Taklu boss, something like that. He saves that. Sorry, in the Hindi dub version. And what is that, like in many different versions it is a different name. In Hindi version it is Amitabh Bachchan, Abhiram Bachchan, or something like that. In another version it is Shivaji Ganeshan. It's some other version it is Kamal Hassan, something like that. It's like for different kind of a genre, for different kind of industry, he has took a different name. So it was pretty nice. He actually pointed out what actually was needed at that particular point of time, where people actually were able to connect to that particular movie because of these changes, in the particular regional changes, I would say. So he did I would say the creative idea, it was like production, direction, screenplay of Shankar was absolutely amazing. Action was over the top. I didn't see that much of a movie, but I actually started when the action was just got finished. A little bit of here and there I was able to, it was really over the top. So I have to see the whole movie actually. I'm not able to judge it on the basis of what I know, but I'm just able to give my feedback on the basis of what I actually have seen the whole movie here and there. So this was it. This was the reaction. I hope you like. Same point of time, I would like to request you to please give a big welcome to this particular video, so that I will inspire more reaction videos for you guys. Sorry, I'm just also, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, so I'm missing anything from me. Links to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Have to below if you want to comment something, suggestions, and give me feedback, or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys too. So we also have a backup account, that is K4Kavit. In case this particular channel gets closed, we have a backup account and you'll be able to get connected there. So please do subscribe to that channel, and that link will be given in the description below. So just click on it, subscribe it, and get connected to me. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine, or comedy scene, or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So next reaction, next review, I would request you to stay connected.